Built by Yes is an idea that is truly based on the concept of finding ways to turn surfacing, which is something that most people look at and just take for granted, into something that really can benefit people across every segment of the population and every life. Everybody interacts with the surface. Everybody has a floor that they walk on, play on, run on. Very few people take a second to think about it. But what we've looked at is how we can incorporate our technology and our innovation and entrepreneurship into creating systems that really solve people's problems. Ecore has a legacy that dates back to the mid-19th century. My great-great-grandfather, Byron Dodge, started the company in Berlin, New York, moved the company to Lancaster, Pennsylvania. My father and my uncle took over, and it was his constant curiosity as to how to better use cork materials in higher valued uses that continued to keep the company alive. I came back to the United States with the idea that I was going to get into a completely different career, and he threw a piece of rubber on the desk, and I said, "What is it?" He said, "It's a piece of recycled, rebonded rubber." And I said, "What do you use it for?" And he said, "I have no idea. That's for you to figure out."
Fast forward 30 years, and Ecore has grown into a truly disruptive flooring company, shaking up a relatively staid marketplace. Every day, we ask ourselves the question, can a floor do more? Through perseverance, ingenuity, and groundbreaking technology, we've harnessed the attributes of recycled rubber, upcycling waste streams into surfaces that can truly make people's lives better. We believe that a floor is more than just a passive surface. It must work with the human body to provide support and sustain the ability for individuals to do what they love longer. A floor does more when it makes people more productive and comfortable by lending the ergonomic qualities of force reduction and energy restitution. It does more by reducing impact and mitigating hazard to provide a safe environment, and by contributing significantly to the reduction of noise in between functional spaces. So to answer the question, can a floor do more? We make the promise to each and every consumer to focus on the ergonomics, safety, and acoustics so that we may confidently answer yes. A floor does more when a nurse or pharmacist can comfortably work a long shift on her feet, and an athlete can train daily without stress or pain. A floor does more when it supports hospital patient recovery by mitigating the impact of falls, and when it protects a weightlifter upon a deadlift's release. A floor does more when it provides for peaceful living within a fully occupied high-rise and a quiet educational environment primed for focus. By bringing the ergonomics, safety, and acoustical attributes together, we create tailored surfaces that make people's lives better and sustain their ability to do what they love longer. We solve people's problems by first understanding them and then approaching each challenge with a positive attitude and innovative thinking. That's Built by Yes, a promise to reimagine flooring that gives you more and that simultaneously benefits both you and your environment and the environment.
Throughout the last 30 years, we've spent as much energy as we could on constantly looking at ourselves, looking inwardly and looking outwardly, looking at what we could do with the culture of this business and the people that came to work here every day, and looking how we could be relevant to the population as a whole. We were able to take this unique material, rubber, and recreate it in a way that solved people's problems. And that created the culture of Built by Yes. Built by Yes didn't happen overnight. Built by Yes has happened over a course of 15 or 20 years, where every day we went from Built by Maybe to Built by I Think I Can to Built by Yes.